Across Europe, farmers and water managers are facing growing challenges: droughts, floods, soil degradation, and pressures on water quality. Small agricultural catchments are especially vulnerable. Natural small water retention measures offer a part of the solution. These measures help landscapes obtain water for longer periods of time, reduce flood waves, retain nutrients, and strengthen resilience. This is where OPTAIN makes a difference. From September 2020 to February 2026, OPTAIN brought together researchers, farmers, advisors, water managers, and decision-makers from 14 case studies across 12 countries in the continental, boreal, and the Pannonian regions. One of the most relevant pillars were the multi-actor reference groups, which involved more than 500 local, regional, and national actors from the beginning of the project. They co-defined challenges, shared knowledge, and helped in shaping options and solutions grounded in real needs. OPTAIN developed harmonized modeling approaches, collecting datasets, generating climate scenarios while using SWOT Plus and field-scale models across case studies. The project produced new R packages and tools for data processing, indicators, model setup, and optimization workflows that can be further used by other scientists and environmental practitioners primarily in the fields of agriculture and water. Using these tools, we assessed how measures influence water and nutrient retention, water quality, erosion, and farm economics. To go further, OPTAIN used the multi-objective optimization platform Commula to identify the most efficient allocations and combinations of retention measures in the catchment landscape. OPTAIN's modeling shows that solving case study challenges does not necessarily require many measures, but rather the right combination of measures implemented in the right places. OPTAIN also organized regional dialogues that went beyond the work with individual case studies, connecting countries and enabling the exchange of experiences across European biogeographical regions, including the boreal, continental, and Pannonian regions, and supporting international learning on the implementation of natural small water retention measures under different environmental and policy conditions. The project produced the NSWRM catalog, as well as guidelines, indicators, modeling, and optimization protocols, and all can be found online within the Learning Environment platform. The strongest achievement is the connection OPTAIN has forged between science and practice. Farmers co-created knowledge, policymakers received evidence to inform the Common Agriculture Policy, Water Framework Directive measures, and climate adaptation strategies. OPTAIN shows that when science and society collaborate, natural small water retention measures become more effective and easier to implement. These measures include, for example, detention ponds, grassed waterways, riparian buffers, hedgerows, cover crops, reduced tillage, and many others. By retaining water and nutrients, they help to build resilient landscapes for sustainable agriculture, ecosystems, and communities. OPTAIN partners developed tools and knowledge and will continue to support sustainable land and water management in Europe and beyond.
The special thing in our project was actually that the optimization and modeling, and of course also the work with the stakeholders. We got solutions for improved water retention and even better the combination of the different measures, what was not done before that often, I would say. So I think the biggest achievement of us is really, I have to say, to build a network between the stakeholders and the scientists, because it's something long-lasting even after the project is over then, and it's also a basis for new projects, but also a continuous exchange, which makes us maybe also closer to the implementation and the practice to improve the retention capacity of the landscape.
Discover more on OPTAIN website and the Learning Environment platform. Funded by Horizon 2020.